Hello, guys, and welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to leave a Facebook group without notifying others. Now, let's begin. First, go to Facebook. Once you've opened Facebook, click on any group chat. Please note that whenever you want to leave a group chat, the other group members will be notified. To make sure that others are not notified, you can do something like this. Click on the group chat, then click on the chat settings, the down icon. You can actually scroll down and see something like archive chat. If you do this, the message will go to your archives, and you will not get any new messages, and the chat will be hidden from you. Let's just archive the chat and see there's nothing here. Again, if you want to see the group, just click on these three dots and scroll down to archive chats, and you can see it here. Well, guys, that's how you leave a Facebook group without notifying others. If you liked this video, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.